Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the lesson from your supplementary reader Footprints Without Feet. This is the name of your book as well as the name of the lesson also. Now, this is the story written by H.G. Wells, an English writer. He was a novelist, wrote many short stories, science fictions. In this story, the writer has given the information about the man who was a scientist, but he did not follow the rules. So he became, or he was not liked by the people instead of his talent. His name was Griffin. Now, see, Griffin was trying to find out some medicine which could make the man invisible. You might have read the lesson in your 7th class, the Vita Bonk. That medicine was to increase or decrease the age of the people. Right? It was a science fiction, a novel related to scientific experiments. So, such is the lesson you are going to read. Griffin, a brilliant scientist, discovered some medicine, some drugs, which after using it made the man disappeared. Now, one day he was walking. Unfortunately, he walked through the mud. So, his footprints were left as he was walking on the steps of some house. Now, two boys were surprised to see a fresh footprints with muds, but no one was there to know whose footprints were those. Now, those two boys looked at the footprints and followed them. Then they reached down the streets following the footprints. They were attracted, fascinated, until that muddy footprints became fainter, and at last the footprints disappeared. Now, it was a mysterious thing for the two boys. Griffin, scientist, no doubt he was a scientist. He was experimenting to find out some drugs which can make the human body invisible, and finally he succeeded. He swallowed certain drops of the drug and his body became as transparent as glass, and it was solid like the glass also. Now, that scientist was lawless. means his behavior was against the law every time, and a short-tempered man. His behavior was not liked by the owner of the house, the landlord, where he lived. So one day, the landlord pushed him out of the house, means vacated the house. Now Griffin was angry at his landlord, owner of the house. So he set fire on the house. Griffin became homeless. He was moving here and there without clothes. He had no money, but he was invisible. Nobody was able to see him. He was not visible. So he escaped from the place, from the sight of the two boys who were following his footprints in London. Now he had chosen, it was a bad time for him, as it was the winter season. It was the winter season, and without clothes, proper clothes, one cannot remain outside. So it was a bad time for the Griffin. He felt cold. He was shivering. Now to protect himself, he needed clothes. So he entered a shop. Right? He entered into a shop, or you can say a big shop, where so many departmental store, you can say. There he remained, as he was invisible. So he entered the departmental store, remained there. It was the time when the store was to be closed. So everybody, the worker of the departmental store, went away. They shut the doors, and Griffin remained inside it. Now he wandered inside the departmental store. He took some clothes, wore it, a hat, overcoat. So he felt good because he was not shivering now. Now he went inside the store kitchen and took some edible things. He drank, he ate, and after that he lay down on the pile of the quilts. खत्म हो गया,
बोल लीजिए।
अच्छा, हेलो, स्टार्ट है। The lesson, footprints without foot. It is the story of a scientist